go ahead. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm gonna punch y'all in your face because y'all doing too much.
Stop. Stop.
Stop.
Stop.
On May 5th, 2024, Orlando police stopped a Toyota Camry for traffic violations. The driver, Sendy Benjamin, was aggressive, refused to provide her license, and ignored orders to turn off the engine. When officers tried to remove her, she resisted forcefully and claimed to be pregnant.
5810 Raleigh Street. Driver, lower the window. Driver, lower the window. Lower the window all the way down. Morning. How you doing? You understand the reason why I stopped you this morning, ma'am? Okay. You can't. Excuse me? I'm bored. Can you see? Let me see your driver's license. I pulled you over because you came out of Metro West and you crossed the median when you're not supposed to, and there's a sign there that clearly says "Do not enter." Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
Tell me what says do not enter.
Call 47 Connecticut. Couple for rest.
Now you're doing too much, and I got somewhere to be.
Driver's license, please.
I don't got it.
You don't have it?
Nope.
All right, shut off the car. Shut off the car.
For what?
If you don't listen to my order, I'm going to detain you in handcuffs. Shut off the car now.
Okay, go ahead. I'm pregnant, and I'm pregnant,
Okay,
so you touch
step
me.
out, step out now, step out.
No.
Stop resisting, stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Okay, stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Leave me alone.
Stop resisting.
I got her.
Y'all better leave me alone, because I didn't do nothing.
Seatbelt.
I don't got it.
It's not on, it's not on.
Y'all better leave me alone.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop
Y'all
resisting.
taking me out for what?
Stop resisting.
For what?
Because
For
you're
what?
resisting a lawful order.
Resisting for what? I didn't do
Step out of
nothing
the car,
wrong.
step out of the
Bro, I'm gonna punch y'all in your face because y'all doing too much. Oh, okay, I promise y'all. Because I didn't do nothing.
Stop.
Oh! Ma'am. No, because I didn't do nothing wrong. And I don't
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
You're hurting my arm. You're hurting
Stop
my
resisting.
arm.
Hold on.
You're hurting my
Stop
arm.
resisting.
Off me!
Now you get charged with resisting with violence.
What? I'm hurting my arm. I'm pregnant. Fuck!
Stop! Stop! Stop!
You got that?
Stop! Stop resisting! Stop! 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 Stop resisting!
Let me
Stop!
Go.
I will tase your so step the back.
go!
Stop resisting!
There wasn't shit that said don't answer. Y'all just bored as I got somewhere to be.
Stop resisting!
Let go. You're hurting my arm. Stop.
Listen.
Stop resisting!
Sit in your face.
Do it. See
not.
what
I
happens.
don't give a fuck.
Not.
Stay back.
No.
Okay,
I'll tease you too.
Let me down. Let me go.
You guys are on a unit.
I call the 45.
Let go of my leg. I can fucking walk.
Stop
Let go
resisting!
of my leg.
Stop!
Let go of my leg. I
Stop.
can walk. Let go of my leg. I can walk.
Stop resisting! Stop!
Why y'all holding me like
Stop
this?
resisting!
Let go of my leg. I can fucking walk.
Stop!
Stop kicking hands.
Let go of my
Stop.
leg. Let go of my fucking leg. I can walk.
Stop!
Hey, you guys are
Stop.
pushing on my
Stop.
stomach. Let go of
Stop.
my leg. I can fucking walk.
Stop!
Let go of my leg.
Stop!
I can walk.
You can wait.
47, 038, you guys want a 43?
No. We are 10-4. We haven't
Let
checked
go
out.
of my arm.
We need at least 2 more.
Let go of my arm.
Stop!
You guys are not
Stop.
listening. If I spit on you,
You're not listening. If you spit on us, you'll get charged with battery on law enforcement officer. Stop!
10 Raleigh Street.
Stop! You cause all these problems for no reason. Stop!
Let go of me.
Stop! You caused all these problems for no
You
reason.
did. You
Stop.
did.
Ma'am, calm
You
down.
did.
No.
You're hurting my stomach. I'm pregnant. Let
Stop.
go of me.
Stop resisting
I
that.
promise y'all I'm
Stop. If you're pregnant, then stop moving around.
You let me go.
Do not try to spit in my face.
You let me
Do not
fucking
try to spit in
go.
my face.
I
No.
don't give a I
Stop.
spit on all of you bitches. Let me go.
Traffic stops. You had an attitude. Didn't want to comply to the orders.
I don't care. I don't have my license. I just came from home.
Well, you know what? You would have had a simple verbal warning
Okay,
had you not
let me
showed
go.
your attitude
I
like
don't
that.
care.
Too bad. You're going to jail now.
I'm not going nowhere.
Yeah, you
'cause I
are.
have somewhere to
No,
be.
you're going to jail.
Damn.
Stop pushing.
Let her
Okay, let go of me. You have my stomach.
Stop. Stop.
Stop. You see,
Stop. Stop. If you know you're pregnant, stop.
Okay, well, then stop touch me, stupid. Let me
For a second.
go. Let me go.
I don't want to spray you.
Let me go.
Build it in.
One second, you're in the car.
Might have to hobble her. Give her a minute.
Yeah, you guys will follow when you take her. She's claiming she's pregnant.
Just have to cancel the
Oh, wait.
No 44. If someone has a hobble,
Stop kicking the back of my car.
I need to go.
Well, you're going to jail now. Yes, you are. And if you fight in jail, they're going to safe book you. I know you don't.
For golf for 8.
Unlock me.
110.
Simple traffic stop.
24 hours. 45. What's the location? Angelo. 510 Raleigh Street.
Yep. Oh, simple traffic stop. She got the attitude. She starts fighting. I don't, you know, you got nothing better to do. Blah blah blah. She's threatening. Yeah. We're gonna tow that car.
I have to be at my doctor's appointment.
Well, then you should have thought about that before you got that
I
attitude.
didn't do anything wrong.
Yes, you did.
Didn't do nothing wrong. I crossed the thing and I put my sticker on and everything.
There's a sign that says clearly do not pass it. Right there. You can fight it in court.
No, it doesn't say that. It said that nowhere.
Yeah, it does.
No, it did not. I
Yes, it
made a
does,
U-turn. I made a U-turn.
No, you didn't, man, because I saw you. I saw you from where I was at. That's why I pulled you over.
Right there.
No, you didn't.
What did I do then?
You crossed through the median. You went through the lane that you're not supposed to.
What lane did I not go
Wait.
You came out of Metro Place and you went straight ahead.
I don't want to, but I need to go. I don't want to be there.
Hold on. That's going around. Just shut the door for now.
shut the door. She's not kicking. It's fine.
I just didn't want her to kick me.
Okay.
If she's not screaming now,
Just go ahead and shut this door.
Okay.
she's going now.
What's your name?
Yeah, she's.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna hold on to this.
Yeah, I got another one in my toolbox, so watch your back. It was just a simple traffic stop. She wanted to get aggressive and start fighting, so she's going to jail now. He stopped her for leaving Metro Place and making a left, cutting all the way across the road.
Okay.
Yeah, it's posted signs, no left turn. So he's good. Sean, don't argue. If you're done, tell the officers what you need and get her out of here.
Can I get somebody to pick up the car?
Let me call number on this.
No, I think I have somebody
Right
right
here.
there. She already admitted to not having a valid DL.
Yeah.
Go ahead and grab her 1014 as well as photograph her. She doesn't have a valid DL.
Just if she's willing to let this lady park the car and lock it up, we'll do that, and we'll have the keys sent up to the jail for her. Well, they came to back him. I knew what they were doing.
We'll follow him.
Yeah, no, I want you to follow her.
Okay. Are you ready?
No, I did not. I turned. I live in Timberlake. I don't live here.
What?
No one's
No,
hurt.
she just kicked at him.
She was trying to spit on people.
Yeah, she like kicked him.
She kicked you? No.
She was trying to escape. She was trying to escape.
She verbalized
I didn't do
it.
nothing wrong. No, I didn't.
John.
Can you grab? Hold on a second. Are you going to give me your information? Are you going to give me your information?
SEND1.
445, JV.
Just went to a fight, dude. Look.
Yep.
traffic stop. All you had to do is give me your ID. And she got the attitude.
You gotta calm down, okay? I understand that you're scared, but listen, it's okay, because you're doing too much. You're doing wrong. Let me call your mama to come get your car, okay?
Could you do me a supplement because I'm going to charge you resisting with violence.
Miss Cindy, can she park your car anywhere in here? And then we'll work on that later. Hold on. Can we just have your ID?
Nobody's available but my boyfriend.
Yeah, he told him when he gave him the order, he was like, you ain't going to do shit, bitch.
But he said I came out of his. I did not go out of it. It's too early for this now an appointment.
It's okay. It's okay. I got a 26-year-old. You can't do that.
Huh?
If we get the 1014, we'll pull it up, send it to them, actually release.
Hey, we can put the car in the parking space.
Yeah, I'm gonna move it.
Okay.
Is it okay if I'm on your car? Okay. What's your, well, I'll call your boyfriend in a minute for you, okay?
Thank you.
Can you respect her? Are you going to give me your first name, ma'am?
I just told you guys.
Oh, no, I'm the arresting officer. I need it. What is your first name?
Can she tell you it's on my phone?
No,
I have all my
you can tell me. You have a mouth. You can tell.
already rude.
Then I would charge you as Jane Doe. Okay, I will book you in as Jane Doe. You know her information?
I don't. I just stay around.
Okay.
Can I talk to you?
No, I'm the arresting officer.
Please.
It's all right.
Can I talk to him? I don't want to talk
Are you
to
done
him.
here, ma'am?
Please.
Are you done?
You gotta calm down.
I know.
But I don't want to talk to him.
She's getting booked in as Jane Doe. I'm not gonna. She wants to fight and say she's gonna spit on officers. I'm not playing this game anymore. We're not doing this. I pulled you over on a valid traffic stop. You want to start this? We're not doing this.
Sendy Benjamin was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, battery, second count, specifically for spitting on an officer at the jail, driving while license, suspended, revoked, failure to obey a lawful order.